Students, good morning. Previous class we have discussed fundamental theorem of calculus. Integration of a to b f of x dx equal to, let integration of f of x is capital F of x. Then apply upper limit minus lower limit, which is equal to f of b minus f of b. This is called fundamental principle of integral. Okay. Now see, integration of root of x square minus 1 dx we can find. Yes, by using what formula? Root of x square minus dx square formula. Previous class we have discussed. Root of x square minus dx square formula, x by 2 root of x square minus a square, okay, minus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus a square. By using this formula we can find. For example, integration of root of x square minus 1 exists, but now I am going to apply limit 0 to 2. I am taking limit. In this interval, this does not exist. Why? Because this function should be defined in this interval. If I take point 1, 0 to 2 means each and every element close interval 0 and close interval 2 between all number consonants. Point 1, point 2 up to 2. Yes. Point 1 if you take point 1 whole square, 0.01 minus 1 will get negative. Negative root does not exist. So this is very important in this. Okay. This is common integration exists. But if you apply limits, in this limit, this function should be defined. Then only integration exists, definite integration. Otherwise, you can't get unique answer. Are you following? If I take 3 to 4, then it is exist. Okay? So in this interval, if it is not defined, the definite integration does not exist. Integration exists, but limits. While applying limits, in that the function should be defined. If function exists, then integration exists. If the integration is possible. Understood? That means all definite indefinite integral, okay, we can't find definite integral values. Okay? This is we have done here, integration. Because of the indefinite integration, we have done. Okay, is it same applicable for definite? No, because it is depend on limits. In that limit, if it is exist, if it is defined, then the integration we can find. So this integration exists, then this is not exist, not like that. So it is bounded in particular limits. This function should be defined. Then only we will get unique answer. If not get defined, then definite integration does not exist. Okay. Now exercise 7.9. Evaluate the definite integrals. Integration of minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx. So this is, they are not given limit as a sum. So these we are going to find by using fundamental principle of calculus. Okay. First of all, find definite integration indefinite integration concept. Use first indefinite integration. X integration x square by 2 plus 1 integration x. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. Put x is equal to 1, upper limit 1 by 2 plus 1. Finish. Upper limit minus lower limit. Put x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 also is 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1, minus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2. Right? 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 equal to 2. Unique answer. Next, second. Integration of 2 to 3, 1 by x dx. Now let's recall all the concept of indefinite integration. First, let's solve the integration by using indefinite. After that upper limit minus lower limit. Yes. 1 by x integration log x. Log x. Upper limit, lower limit 2, upper limit 3. Substitute upper limit log 3 minus log. Finish. Log of 3 by 2. Next, third one is integration 1 to 2 4x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 9 dx. Tell me 4x cube integration. 4 in constant, x cube integration x power 4 by 4. Check yourself, because these all we have already discussed. Are you getting integration, indefinite integration getting or not? Fine. If you not get, again you go to the previous videos where I have discussed this concept. That video you can go through that, again you get that practice. Okay. Find x square integration x cube by 3 plus 6 into x integration x square by 2 plus 9 integration 9x. Apply upper limit 1 to 2. First upper limit is get cancelled. Put x is equal to 1 power 2 power 4 60 minus 2 cube is 8 into 5 40 by 3 plus it get cancelled. X 2 square, x is equal to 2 square 4 into 3 12 plus 9 into 2 18 minus lower limit. Put x is equal to 1 minus 5 by 3 plus 3 x is equal to 1 plus 9. Simplify. Which is equal to 16 plus 12. 12 plus 18 30. 30 plus 16 46. 46 minus 40 by 3 minus 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 9 30. 30 minus 5 by 3. 46 minus 40 by 3 minus 30 plus 5 by 3. 46 minus 30 33. And minus 40 by 3 plus 5 by 3 minus 40 plus 5 minus 35 by 3. Simplify. Okay. LCM is 3. 33 into 3 99 minus 35 64 by 3. Next, the question number 4. Integration of 0 to pi by 4 sin 2x dx. Tell me sin 2x integration. Minus cos 2x by 2. Because 2x differentiation is 0 to pi by 4. Apply upper limit minus cos of x plus 2 pi by 4 by 2. Upper limit is 1 minus lower limit minus cos 2 into 0 by 2. It's get cancelled. Cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Minus cos 0 is 1 by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 2. Next, fifth question. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos 2x dx. Cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2. Limits 0 to pi by 2. Apply upper limit sin of 2 into pi by 2 by 2. Okay. Minus lower limit sin of 0 by 2. Get cancelled. Sin pi is 0. Sin 0 is 0. So answer is 0. Understood? Next, sixth question. Integration of 4 to 5 e power x dx. E power x integration e power x. Limits 4 to 5. Apply upper limit e power 5 minus e power 4. Seventh question. Integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. tan x dx. Tan x integration log of sec x, log of sec x 0 to pi by 4. आपले upper limit log of sec pi by 4 minus log of sec 0, log of sec pi by 4 root 2, sec 45 root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, then sec 45 root 2 minus log sec 0 is 1. So log of root 2 minus log 1 is 0, which is equal to log of root 2. That we can write 1 by 2 log 2 also. How? This root 2 we can write 2 over 1 by 2. Log of a raised to m equal to m into log 1. 1 by 2 comes here. 1 by 2 log 2. Next, 8th question. Integration of pi by 6 to pi by 4 cosec x dx. Cosec x dx. Tell me the cosec x integration. Log of cosec x minus cot x, or one more formula, log of tan x by x. Log of tan x by x. This is better. Log of tan x by x. Limits pi by 6 to pi by 4. Apply upper limit. Log of tan x is equal to pi by 4. We get pi by 8 minus log of tan of pi by 12. Tan pi by 8 means 22.5 degrees. Sorry, 50 degrees. Pi by 8. 50 degrees or 22? 15 into 8? No. 22.5. 22.5. So what is the 22.5 degrees? Tan of pi by 8. Tan of 22.5 degrees equal to root 2 minus 1. This is log of root 2 minus 1. What about pi by 12? 50 degrees. Pi by 12 equal to 15 degrees. Understood? Correct? 15, 10 of 15, 15 degrees, 48 degrees. 15 degrees. Pi by 8 equal to 22.5 degrees. Tan, log of tan 15 degrees. 2 minus 2. Finish. Log of m minus log of n equal to log of m by n. Root 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Integration of dx by root of 1 minus x square 0 to 1. 1 by under root of 1 minus x square integration. Sin inverse x. Limits 0 to 1. Upper limit sin inverse 1 minus sin inverse 0. Sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Sin inverse of 0 is 0, which is equal to pi by 2. Next, integration of 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x square tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Limits 0 to 1. Tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0, which is equal to pi by 4. That is 0. 11th one. Integration of 2 to 3 dx by x square minus 1, which is the form of x square minus a square. What is the formula? Integration of 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by 2a log of 1 by 2a log of x minus 1 by x plus 1. This is the formula. Here 2a, a is 1, so 1 by 2. Apply upper limit. 2 to 3. 1 by 2 is constant, so log of, apply x is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, minus 1 by 2 is common for this, for lower and upper limit. For lower, log of x is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 1 by 2 log of 1 by 2 minus log of 1 by 3. Log m minus log n equal log of m by n. So 1 by 2 log of m, 1 by 2 n, 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 2 log of 3 by 2. Here no need to write plus c because answer we got correct answer. Okay, plus c means indefinite. Here we will get in direct real number. Exact answer will get, area will get. So this curve, okay, bounded by these lines. Area how much? Area bounded by this curve and these two lines, 2, 2, 3, x equal to and x equal to 3 is this much area. Understood? Next, 12th one. Integration 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Cos square x integration how to find? Very good. 1 plus, reduce the power. 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. This is. If it is integration of sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay. Every day, at least one exercise from the beginning, one exercise you practice. Okay. Then only you, when you touch with that, integration concept will get. One day, and after getting the whole concept, then pick the question from different exercise and solve it. By seeing the question only, you should get the idea how to do. Like that you prepare. 1 by 2 is constant. Integration of 1 x plus cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2 limits 0 to pi by 2 of upper limit put x is equal to pi by 2 plus sin of 2 into pi by 2 upper limit is over minus lower limit is 0 sin 0 is 0 1 by 2 pi by 2 plus sin pi is 0 0 by 2 is 0 so which is equal to pi by 4 like this. Next you come to know that see this is 0 this is pi by 2 okay this is pi by 4 cos 0 is 1 cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 cos pi by 2 is 0 this is the graph this is the cos square x graph sorry cos 0 is 1 cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 means 1 by 2 cos pi by 2 is 0 means like this will get yes this area is bounded by x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 2. So this curve cos square x bounded by these two lines means limits. Bounded means limits. Okay, bounded by these two lines that is called limits. Limits is nothing but borders from lower to up. Okay, in this only this is the bounded this area bounded by curve and lines. This area is how much? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 3.14 by 4 means point something will get this area. Understood? So this area is not a rectangle, it is not a square, but this type of square, the area how can find by using integration concept, definite integration concept. Exactly will do it. Next, 13th. Like this area if you want. This area if you want. First you find this name of the function and this limits. Then by apply integration we get this. Next, 13th question number 13. Integration of 2 to 3 x dx by x square plus 1. Tell me how to find this integration. X square equal to t. Yes. Why x square equal to t? Because this differentiation is there. Or we can find direct. What is the denominator? X square plus 1. X square plus 1 derivative is 2x. X is there in the numerator. 2 not there. We can multiply by 2. Very simple. Okay, instead of taking x square equal to t also will get. Or x square plus 1 equal to t also will get it. So direct method. X square plus 1 differentiation is 2x. Multiply by 2. 2 to 3. 2x dx by x square plus 1. This differentiation is very easy. F dash x by f of x integration. Log f of x. 1 by 2 log of x square plus 1. Limits 2 to 3. Apply upper limit. Log of 3 square 9 plus 1 10 minus lower limit 2 square 4 plus 1 5. So which is equal to 1 by 2 log of 10 by 5 equal to 1 by 2 log 2. 14. Integration of 0 to 1 2x plus 3 by 5x square plus 1 dx. This one. Splitting here. If you split this by this differentiation will be there. This is the constant. Integration of 0 to 1, tell me 2x by 5x square plus 1 plus 3 by 5x square plus 1 dx. The method is dx plus q by ax square plus bx plus c form. So instead of using that method, directly we can find it is splitting 2x by this by this by this. Okay, this differentiation 5x square plus 1 differentiation is 10x. But 10 not there, 2. So we can multiply. Tell me 0 to 1. 1 by 5. 10x by 5x square plus 1 dx. Splitting integration also. Plus 3 constant integration of 0 to 1. 1 by 5x square plus 1 dx. This how can find? 5 take common. When you take the 5 common, then we get x square plus 1 by 5. Which form it contain? 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by 5, we can write 1 by root 5 whole square. 1 by x square plus a square formula. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So 1 by 5 log of 5x square plus 1 limits 0 to 1 plus 3 by 5. Tell me this is 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by a means 1 by root 5 tan inverse of x by a root 1 by root 5 limits 0 to 1. 1 by 5 log of upper limit 5 plus 1 6 minus log of lower limit is 0 plus 1 log 1 plus 3 by 5 root 5 tan inverse of this 6 comes up root 5x, put x is equal to 1 root 5 minus tan inverse of 0. So 1 by 5 log of 6 log 1 is 0 plus 3 by 5 root 5, tell me tan inverse of root 5, that is 0. Or log 6 by 5 plus 3 by 5 root 5 into tan inverse of root 5. Integration 0 to 1 x into e power x square dx. Tell me x square equal to t. X square equal to t. So when you use the substitution, then limits also will be changed. That concept we will discuss the next, the change of the limits. Okay. First of all, let's find first indefinite integration of x into e power x square dx. Let x square equal to t. The next differentiation 2x dx by dt equal to 1. X dx equal to dt by 2. Substitute here. Integration x dx equal dt e power t and dt by 2. This is okay, and 1 by 2 e power t integration e power t. Okay, 1 by 2 e power t on t value is x square, right? Integration of 0 to 1 x into e power x square dx. This integration is 1 by 2 e power x square. Apply limit 0 to 1. So 1 by 2 e power 1 minus e power 0 equal to e minus 1 by. Here when you substitute, the function will be changed in the terms of t. This is this 0 to 1 limits here, x limits. But here t limit. These are t, not t limits, but change them in terms of t also. That we will discuss next exercise. Now I have done without using substitution of definite integration concept. I have done by indefinite concept. I have done substitution, but not definite integration concept. What? Indefinite. I have not changed the limits. First I have done like this. as indefinite type, let the answer also should be here. Okay, so this is the way when you use substitution, then limits also will be changed. That we will discuss next class. Question number 16. Integration 1 to 2 5x squared by x squared plus 4x plus 3 dx. Yes, tell me how can you find this? By using indefinite. How? First, integration of 5x squared by x squared plus 4x plus 3. How can you find this? A. This is improper. This is improper. How? Numerator and denominator degree same. If it is improper, what to do? Division method first. It is not a proper, it is improper. X squared plus 4x plus 3. 5x squared. Tell me, into 5x squared plus 20x plus 15. Subtract. This get cancelled. Minus 20x minus 50. Tell me, 5x squared plus x squared plus 4x plus 3 equal to q of x 5 plus minus 20x minus 50 by x squared plus 4x plus 3. This is the proper. Now tell me the